In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Confluence and start using your workspace. First, make sure you have your Confluence site URL and the Atlassian account you use for work. If your organization uses single sign-on, you'll authenticate through your company's identity provider. With that ready, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works well, and using an up-to-date version helps avoid unexpected prompts. If you're on a shared or public computer, consider a private browsing window to avoid saving your credentials. Next, go to your Confluence site URL. This is typically a company-specific address, often ending with Atlassian.net or a custom domain your admin provided. Type it carefully into the address bar and press enter. If this is a site you'll visit often, bookmark it now so you can jump back in quickly later. On the sign-in screen, enter your Atlassian email address. Use the work email associated with your Confluence access. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're entering the correct one to avoid being routed to the wrong workspace. Take a moment to confirm spelling. Small typos can cause confusing errors. Click Continue. Atlassian will direct you to the appropriate next step based on your account and organization settings. You might see your company's logo or a brief loading screen before the password or single sign-on page appears. Now, enter your password or use single sign-on. If you're using a password, type it carefully and make sure caps lock isn't on. A reputable password manager can help, but avoid saving passwords on shared devices. If your organization uses single sign-on, select the appropriate option, such as your company, Google, or Microsoft, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete authentication in the same browser window. If verification is required, complete it to continue. Two-step verification may ask for a code from an authenticator app, a text message, or a security key. Have your verification method handy and enter the code promptly, as these codes usually expire quickly. Never share verification codes, and if you're unable to verify, contact your administrator rather than repeatedly trying and locking your account. Finally, select your Confluence workspace and start using it. After login, you may see a list of available sites or workspaces. Choose the one you need. Once inside, you'll land on Home or a dashboard. Use the search bar to find pages or spaces. Select Create to start a new page if you have permissions, and star important content for quick access. Confirm you're signed in by checking your profile icon and you're ready to work.